Hello my lovely people, welcome back to another wash day routine on my daughter's hair. Just want to say a big thanks to everyone for always stopping by to watch my videos. I really appreciate. In today's wash day routine, I'm using aloe vera leaf, which is very good and beneficial for our hair. Aloe vera is one of the best things to apply to your hair for growth stimulation, and it also acts as a thickening agent. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. All these three vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. So I just went on to scoop out the aloe vera gel in a bowl. And I'm also using some fenugreek seed, which I made an oil out of it in my previous video. As I always say in my videos, nothing goes to waste. So I'm using these products that I already have at home. These are all great natural products you don't want to miss out when you're making your deep conditioner at home. Products like fenugreek seed, avocado, and aloe vera gel. Put everything into a blender and blend very well. Make sure to use a powerful blender because of the fenugreek seed. You can also soak the seeds in hot water for a few hours to help the blending process, but I wasn't having so much time, so I just had to do it straight away. Add water to the mixture and keep blending till you get a creamy paste. Fenugreek seeds absorb a lot of water, so make sure to always check on it and add more water if needed. I'm using a cheesecloth to squeeze out the paste, but you can use a wig cap or a strainer to strain out everything without having any particles. So here is the quantity of conditioner I got out of that small amount of fenugreek seed. So I'm going to store some in the freezer. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, which is optional, but I just wanted an extra pack of nutrients in this hair mask. I'm also adding 60 ml of olive oil, 30 ml of grapeseed oil, and 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil. You can always use any oil you have available for this hair mask. I'm going to start prepping our hair using the hot oil treatments. You can check out my video on hot oil treatment for more details. I'm using olive oil and almond oil for this process. Our hair is already detangled, so I'll just apply the oil all over our hair, cover it up with a plastic cap and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it off with shampoo. So guys, we are back from washing and our hair feels very soft. Our scalp is all clean and we're going to start with the hair mask application. I'm going to give you guys some reasons why you should deep condition your hair. Deep conditioning should be part of your hair care regime no matter your hair type, be it straight, natural or relaxed. Deep conditioning is a crucial process between shampooing and styling your hair, designed to help restore and maintain moisture in the hair. Deep conditioning natural hair prevents hair damage. When your hair is moisturized, it prevents breakage and split ends. Deep conditioning restores your hair's pH balance and gives it shine, even after you've used a clarifying shampoo. If you color your hair, you blow dry, you straighten or conduct other harsh treatments, deep conditioning can help reduce the damage done by these treatments. Once done with the application, just wrap it up with a plastic cap to help the treatment penetrate your hair shaft, then rinse it out thoroughly with water. We are done with the treatment, so I'm going to make a simple protective hairstyle. Wash day routine is a tedious one for kids, so you don't want to stress them more by making complicated hairstyles. That's all for this video, guys. I appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Bye.